you see the road. See as the road, like how many communities do you know that they have like third road from the beginning to the end?
also have
like,
lights too.
and they have lights. Like no, it is very rare. Like if I had it my way, I would not buy like 6 plots of land for them now.
Where? From which money? From which account?
Wait, are you trying to savage me right now? Well, okay, I know say my own personal account no go even fit afford
You should have just put it this way in your dream. In your dream, you would acquire the land.
I no go na lie, I no agree. I refuse to fall for your savage. You understand? So guys, see, he wants to savage me on an outro. Who does that? Who will savage you on an outro? See guys.
Like
Now, please on the comment section, let's be real. Team Fine Face, I know you come through for me. Which person savage sweet pass? You understand?
Guys,
Team Fine Face, is it the intro savage or this outro savage? I know say now come through for me.
Me, I don't campaign. So those that love me, they know what to do. They'll just type it there.
Oh yeah, now we'll be waiting for it. But meanwhile, I'm a savage. Classy, Ducci, savage. And you understand?
Classy, Ducci, savage.
I'm a true singer. Enjoy. Have a wonderful day.
My name is Ikekbolo Samudi Ahmed, Secretary, Youth Secretary for Guinea Boss, our community.
My name is Enofe Osaige, aka Sonny Reddy, Chief Security Officer in this community. In this Obadile.
All right. Security-wise, we wanted to know, like, what is the assurance on security when it comes to this community?
I can easily say is 90% sure of security in this community. So I believe the community is peaceful. Everything is moving well. Everything is going on well. You are seeing everybody moving, doing one or two. I believe the community is very peaceful. So whenever you want to invite a client to come, the road is very open and the way is very clear to come. So we need more people to join us to develop the community.
And from observations, we noticed this community is like a fast developing community. Like, what's the mode of development so far as per this community?
Well, I can say mode of development here is taking a new dimension since Obaseki intervention in this community by tying the road and one other electricity is flowing here. So I believe the mode of development here is just taking a new dimension. It's taking us to another new phase.
We have a realness that controls this community. So we have Okagele, which is the new Okagele we just have now. And he's a very young and very kind man, very good.
Security-wise, what can you say about this community? Like, how is the security here? Do you think it's somewhere that will be very safe for anybody to be, or they are bridging security?
Well, for the mode of security, I can say that one is 100% assurance. Even if I didn't say 100%, at least 99% assurance, because as far as from the road, we have security. There are mobile soldier checking at before you enter. Now, when you are coming in from airport road, first of all, you see a checking point, which there's soldier there, and so many other things. We on our own in the community as well, we have our own security as well, which even if those ones leave at least the night, we say our own mode of securing ourselves, because we don't want a situation whereby you will be seeing people maybe calling it like they have stolen properties. So everything is going well. Security here is on 99% assurance.
100 by 100 when you want to buy along the road. What is the price range?
For that, along the road does not have one fixed price, because the land you, as you can see now, is belong to individual. I don't say community does not have land on the road again. It's just individual. Maybe it might be the community person or somebody that just buy from the community man. So everybody have his own price. It doesn't have a fixed price. That's just that.
Between what range? Like if I'm coming here, what should be on my mind? Should I be saying like 8 million, 6 million, or within what range?
There's some land along the road there. The people used to say 8 million, 7, 9, 10, just like that, or 7, 6, 5. That just it doesn't have fixed price.
Hello guys.
Hello.
And today guys, myself and this fine face over
Yes,
here,
so because of my fine face, you understand?
we'll be showing you Obage community.
Yeah.
Obage Nevosa after Ogege community at Saple Road. That's what we'll be showing you guys today. This community have a lot of advantage. Like you can go through Saple Road, you can go through Iwiri Ebo Road, which is Yekogba Road. Also, they have this road advantage, and their road is very good and tight. And meanwhile, we'll also have to go into the community now and talk with the
Take permission.
you know, because most of this community, you don't just go there. When they see you with camera now, something else. You know, some of their boys, their head not there. You know, they get different kind of character. They can see the one we get Louis Vuitton slap. You can see the one we get Tony Kabaka uppercut.
As in Gucci stick and cutlass where they come out from different
even the one we
places.
get Obaseki Gragra. The one we see get Oshomole dragging.
I swear.
Even Pastor Sage say you have kind of frog jump.
Who do wrestling?
So the Nigerian wrestling self, you know, different attitude. So to avoid those kind of things at times, so we definitely have to seek permission because we don't hear about this community, and then so we decide to play this. But all the same, guys, you're gonna definitely love this location. It's a developing area, and it's a place where you can even acquire property, and in the next 5-6 years.
No, that place is not GRA.
You get, so it's going in future to be GRA extension. You know.
So please, guys, don't forget, click on the like button, drop a comment on the comment section because of my fine face.
Say something about this guy
and drop a comment for me.
He's getting finer every day.
It's because of you, all of you, and you know. Life is beautiful when you have people supporting you.
Wait a minute. let me sing it again. Life is beautiful.
No, please.
I don't get it.
No, don't.
I don't get why you always like whenever I'm singing now.
Singing will be your calling. You suppose don't know.
It has to be my calling before I sing.
No, it's not like it has to be your calling before you sing. Before you sing commercial, you cannot just come out on a full channel and be disgracing yourself.
Disgracing my voice.
You have to remain a bedroom singer. You understand? Yeah, just keep being a bedroom singer. Savage.
Maybe someone should please tell me what I would do to this guy.
No, pity. I mean, will I leave this?
Someone should tell me what I would do to this guy.
Enjoy watching, guys. I mean. Sorry.
Like seriously. Did you just say I'm a bedroom singer?
Oh,
Jesus. Anyway, guys, have fun and enjoy.
Enjoy watching, guys. Because of my fine face, call House of Borough TV today to cover your events like naming ceremony, wedding ceremonies, burial ceremony, resurrection ceremony, and any kind of ceremony you can think about. We've got quality cameras and professional handlers to give you that spark in your event. Tell a friend to tell friends to keep telling friends until they book us, because we've got that special kind of spark that makes us different from the rest. And don't forget, call us today and refer a friend to tell friends until they book us. Call us.
So guys, this now Obage Nevosa after Ogege community. That's where we are right now. Obage Nevosa after Ogege community. So those of you know the year of Ogege, after Ogege, the next community, and this very community. So the road is tied down to Airport Road. There's one big advantage about this very community, so this very Obage Nevosa. So in the next 5 years or so, there will be an extension of GRA to this place. But meanwhile, here now, the boundary of the Obage Nevosa, this is Divine Wisdom. So now Divine Wisdom, you know their boundary for start, Divine Wisdom on campus. So for those of now we would like acquire properties for this area. So there is already a school for your children to attend in this same community. So meanwhile, guys, like I was saying, these people, they get extension of GRA in the next 5-6 years. Just the way GRA extend from former GRA to Bo, to first to Bo, second to Bobo Village, Amagba, and things like that. So the same thing, this same very road, so is connecting to Iwiri Ebo. This same very road is connected to Iwiri Ebo. So this is the Obage community, Obage Nevosa. that's the correct pronunciation, the correct name. But people they always call them Obage because they just want the pronounce it easily in a short form. So that is where we are right now, guys. So this is Obage Nevosa, and if you know anyone that grew up from this community or when get property for this community, please share this video with the person, make the person see how the community be. Or for those people when be say they won't think say they want to come buy land for where community when they develop now. So this community is a developing community right now. It's a developing community. If you go away now, you won't find plots to buy. I doubt you will see plot buy now for Ogege. Probably now for inside. So after this is the next community, and you can take through. The advantage about this community is say if you take through Saple Road enter, you can take through Saple. If you can also take through Airport Road. So you have two connections, and the road is very motorable. So the road is very motorable. And I'm very sure now Obaseki na enter this road. Very, very sure. Say now Obaseki na enter this road. So I will show you guys a bit of this community. That I love places and a lot of things you would really love to see in this community. They get schools, correct schools for this community. You say, man, you don't have to, your children don't need to go and attend good schools in town or a place like that, you know. So that's one thing about this community. So it's a developing community, and to get 100 by 100 along the road for this community, so to get like 100 by 100 for along the road for this community, you should be looking at from 2.5 million to 3.5 million. Depends on the place and who is selling it. So if you are looking for 100 by 100 along the road for this very community one day. So, and there's one good thing about this community. They get event center, a bar spot, and a hotel where it makes sense. Even past most of the hotel for town. Check this out, Depend Villa. So this is not Depend Villa. See Depend Villa. Very fine spots that you can even leave town, say, because of this place. Leave town, come enjoy yourself. That's Depend Villa, and that's the road leading to Inoge Palace there. So now the road they lead to Inoge Palace of the Obage community, like be that. So you see, if you even come on for town, come chill for that spot. You won't like now town. It's a very good relaxation spot. So I believe say the guy went to that when get that place now from this community, from information or from source. Say the person when get that place now from this community. So and that is a very, very good spot. So this is Obage community. Soon I will show you their primary school and some other places in this community. It's a developing community. If you check out where you see say people are building in a rush. People are building in a rush in this community. So if you check very well, you see that people are building in a rush. You know, this is a kind of community where you just acquire land now. Believe me, the next 5-6 years, the land will be worth in the 4-point-something million. So to me, someone like me, for one buy land for this kind of community, I will just go for 1x2 or 2x2. You know, and also from source too, from their community, because you know this we actually got permission to cover this place from the community themselves. So and from the same community, you can also acquire 1x2 or 2x2 from the same community, and it all depends on the spot, and that will be ranging from 2-point-something million. So it will be ranging from 2-point-something million. So my right here, guys, this is Christ Choosing Church. So that's Christ Choosing Church over there. That's now Christ Choosing Church over there. And after Christ Choosing Church, the next compound is what is it called? Rode Zuwa Education Center. That's now Rode Zuwa Education Center. See how fine the school is. See how beautiful the school is. So you see, you have a lot of things here, things that would even make you not go to town. So have a lot of things. And this road now, the road they lead to OD Paradise Bar and Lodge. So that's now the road when they lead to OD Paradise Bar and Lodge. So this community now, community will be same. It's a developing community, and it's a very peaceful place. It's a place where you just buy property, then you start building. A lot of people are building in a rush. So for those of you now when say you need property, you want to buy property, probably now you cannot afford the one for Irivi or Ebo. This is a very good location because from here to Ebo is not far. It won't take you up to 15 minutes drive. So because they are all in the same area. So here now their primary school. To my left here. Here now this is their primary school, John Primary School. That's their primary school there. Where these cars are now. That's their primary school over there, guys. So guys, so we'll still show you a bit forward. So we'll still show now go front small. So the primary school might be that. So these are still part of their community. So for those of now who come from this community, you can see this is your community. So those of you that have traveled out for a very long time that have not been here, or when they come here those days way back, so this is Obage community. And if you know anybody that came from this village, that is from this village, please share this video with the person. This is Obage community. You see the road is being tied, and I'm very sure now Obaseki can I tie this road. I'm 100% very sure. See now in time. So we have lights here too. We also get light for this community too. Constant lights. It don't be like town when they give them 3 hours. They have constant light in this community. So this is Obage. You can see even along the road, you see wheelbarrow, shovel for rent. It's because for those when they build, when no one buy materials, they will come they rent, because the community is a developing community. So you can see they still get land. They still get land surplus. These people still get land. These people still have land. To me, the best thing is you just acquire land there and you start developing. Believe me, the next 5-6 years, this place is going to be another GRA. It's an extension. It will be an extension of GRA. But this same road we are driving on now is leading to Iviwi, Ebo, Airport Road, Ogba, and this other community again, can't remember. Awogba. So that's where this road is leading to. So guys, we'll just show you people to where that palm tree is. You can see for yourself that they still get land. It's a developing community. It's a very, and in this community you can see land of 500,000. But I think it should be inside. It should be inside. You can see a land of 500,000 in this community. So now I know I mentioned millions, since millions of the people, some people heard. But you can see land of 500,000, even 50 by 100. Say, and you can possibly see that of 400 too. But it might not be too close to the major road, which is this road. It might not be too close to the major road. So guys, this is where we're going to be ending this video, at this Tiri Junction here. This is where we'll be ending this video. So for those of you now when get interest, when like this community and you feel you want to have a property in this community, you can contact us. And then also please share with anyone you know grew up from this community and haven't been home for a very long time. Thanks guys, and have a nice day.
See the road, see the way a community start, like from beginning to end. Like you hardly find places like that. So if I have my own way, I don't run go find land for there buy, you understand? So that's
from which account, from which money?
Okay, if I have my way, if I go to dream, I'll go and buy land.
Now you're saying it. No, that's the perfect way to put it.
No, you want to savage me back now. Like, see, on the comment section, okay, this guy thinks he can savage me on the comment section. Between the intro savage and the outro savage, who you think say the savage pass when I start? Forever, I know Team Fine Face will always come true.
See, guys, I don't campaign. I don't like campaigning, please. If now my savage they pass, I beg.
I'm a savage. Classy, douchey, savage.
Yeah, let's need the practice for bedroom. We done the show now. So
have fun, guys, and have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching.
Rindi Kumba, Chito Washibama Hombai, House of Boro TV, Tumburu Randy, and Ungurubai, Boro TV, Tum. Yes, so I need to specialize so that people who know they understand English go understand me well, because I get many family for village like that where they share now. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, in case you want to do anything at all, you want to engage your girlfriend, you want to do marriage, you want to do burial ceremony, whether a political rally, church rally, any rally at all, anything we concern cameraman, hey, House of Boro TV. they are the best. Yes, now House of Boro TV. You call the number where they display for your screen. So for House of Boro TV, they will give you better quality job. Yes, now whether you defend that camera where they fly for up, everybody don't show. People not complain say I'm not sure for the camera. House of Boro TV, they will give you. Yes, now ladies and gentlemen, whether na burial, birthday, marriage, anything at all, anything where they use camera, carnival. Yes, now House of Boro TV. Hong Kong, ready room, she mama home by